In today's video, I'll show you how to set reminders in Pipedrive quickly and efficiently so nothing slips through the cracks. Start by opening Pipedrive and heading to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Activities. This is where all your upcoming tasks, calls, emails, and follow-ups are organized in one place. Think of it as your built-in to-do list, sorted by what's due now, later, or overdue. At the top of the activities list, click the plus icon to create a new activity. This opens a form where you'll set up your reminder. Begin by adding a clear, actionable title. Use something specific like Call Client to Confirm Proposal or Send Follow-up Email. This makes it easy to understand the task at a glance later. Next, choose a due date and, if available, set a time. Adding a time helps you stay organized and ensures you get notified exactly when you need to act. After that, select the activity type. This helps categorize your reminder. For general tasks, choose options like task or deadline. For communication, select call or email. Picking the right type also makes it easier to track your work later. You can also add notes in the description field. Keep them short but useful. Include any key details, talking points, or context so you don't have to search for information when the reminder comes up. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your reminder will now appear in your activities list, organized by date and clearly labeled. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can create structured reminders that keep your day running smoothly.